This is the Trapezoidal Acceleration Profile Interactive Calculator, which solves motion control problems by calculating missing parameters in acceleration profiles. Let's look at the inputs. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate total move time, calculate required maximum acceleration, calculate maximum velocity, calculate total distance, calculate acceleration time, and complete profile analysis. For this demo, I'm selecting Calculate Total Move Time. The input fields are total distance in millimeters, maximum velocity in millimeters per second, maximum acceleration in millimeters per second squared, total move time in seconds, and acceleration time in seconds. Here's a worked example. I'll enter total distance equals 10 millimeters, maximum velocity equals 10 millimeters per second, and maximum acceleration equals 10 millimeters per second squared. After clicking Calculate, the results show total move time equals 2,000 seconds, confirming our motion takes exactly 2 seconds. The acceleration time equals 1,000 second, meaning we accelerate for 1 second. The constant velocity time equals 0.000 seconds, indicating we never reach maximum velocity. The profile type confirms this is a trapezoidal profile with full acceleration to max velocity. This calculator streamlines motion profile design for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.